Hi, so this is chemical reactions with citric acid. I have my citric acid solution here, and then I'm going to take 6 pieces of pH paper, put one in each of the first 6 wells of this strike plate, and then go on to the next step. So 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to take 1 drop of tap water, put it on the pH paper in the first well, and this will be my control. I'm going to compare the color of this pH paper to the key here. Actually, I would give that about a 7 or maybe an 8 on this key there. Then I'm going to increase the concentration of citric acid solution by adding another scoop. So I made my solution here. I almost skipped a step. I made my solution here already of citric acid by putting 20 milliliters of water in this beaker and then adding 1 toothpick scoop of citric acid and adding it to that water, and then gently swirling it until the citric acid was fully dissolved. Now I'll compare the color of this pH paper to the key, and I'm not sure, maybe about a 5. What do you think? And I'm going to increase the concentration of citric acid solution by adding another scoop of citric acid to the water. That is awesome. And then I'll gently swirl the water until the citric acid has dissolved. And then I will take a drop of that new concentration of citric acid solution, put it on the pH paper, and compare the color of the pH paper to the key. That might be a 4 or even a 3. What do you think? And then I am going to increase the concentration of citric acid solution by adding another scoop of citric acid to the solution, dumping it in, and then gently swirling the water until the citric acid is fully dissolved. I'm then going to take a drop of water from a drop of the solution and put it into well 4 here with the 4th strip piece of pH paper, and observe, comparing the color of the pH paper to the key, and possibly a 3 or a 4. I don't think a 2, but maybe. What do you think? Then I'm going to increase the concentration of citric acid solution by adding another little scoop of citric acid to the solution, putting it in, and gently swirling the solution until the citric acid has fully dissolved. And then taking a drop of the new concentration solution and putting it on the pH paper in well 5. And then observing, comparing the color of the pH paper to the key. Maybe a 3. What do you think? Then I'm going to increase the concentration of the citric acid solution by adding 1 more scoop of citric acid to the solution, gently swirling until the citric acid has fully dissolved. And then going to take a drop of that new concentration solution, put it on the pH paper in well 6, and observe. Comparing that color to the key, I think maybe a 3, possibly a 2. What do you think? Thank you.